Hey guys, it's Dana and it's time to talk about money. And in this video, I wanted to share with you how we go to the bathroom when we're camping.
Mom, I have to go pee-pee.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, now this may seem like a very bizarre topic for a video for my channel. However, I have said repeatedly on my channel that I think camping is one of the best ways to travel affordably if you're trying to get out of debt, or you have a large family like we do, or you just really enjoy traveling on a budget because you don't like spending a lot of money. Just in general, you're trying to save your money, not spend it. So camping is a great way to do that. However, a lot of people, including myself, when I first started doing it, are very hesitant to do it, especially as you get older, because number one, it seems like it's going to be uncomfortable. And then where are you going to go to the bathroom? I don't know what going to the bathroom is a big part of it, right? And I know the very first year that I took the kids camping, I really had to pee in the middle of the night, and I'm with these little kids and I can't leave them in the tent to hike over to the bathroom. We were at a state campground, so there was bathrooms, but I didn't want to leave the tent. So what am I going to do? So it was very stressful for me because I didn't want to wake up all the kids and like bring them across the campground in the middle of the night so that I could pee. However, I really had to go. So what was I going to do? So I remember climbing out of the tent. I felt like I was making all this noise. And anyway, I ended up peeing on myself. And it was not fun. It was really uncomfortable, and it was one of the worst nights ever. I remember leaving the next day. We left quickly. I was in such a bad mood. I didn't sleep well. I felt like everything smelled like pee, and it was just not fun. So then after that experience, I told myself the next year I was going to figure out how to make this work so that I didn't have this same problem at night, in the middle of the night, in our tent, at our campsite. And so what I ended up doing was I purchased a 5-gallon bucket. You can get a 5-gallon bucket from Home Depot or from Lowe's. Ours is from Lowe's, and it's a simple bucket. And so the first year I just took this bucket, and then in the middle of the night I was able to, out in the corner of the tent to pee in it and then put the lid back on it. And then that was what I did. And it was so much better. At least I had a place to go. It's more affordable to buy these buckets than to purchase, say, a composting toilet. I mean, you can spend hundreds of dollars purchasing things that you can bring, but just a simple bucket will do. And then you can also purchase seats that will hook on top of these buckets. You can get them on Amazon. They're not a lot of money, and you can have an actual seat, or you can just take a pool noodle and wrap it around the rim of the bucket to create a seat on top. Also, this year I purchased a pop-up tent. A pop-up tent that basically is a bathroom. So within the campsite, we can have a bathroom. So this just pops up, and then I can put my bucket inside this little pop-up tent. You can also use this to shower, or for us, we have these really big tub trug bins that I can heat water up over the fire and put it in. I can even bathe the kids if I have biodegradable shampoo or soap. I can wash the kids and give them a little bath within this pop-up tent. And then this is where, like I said, this is like the bathroom within your campsite. And during the day, if you can hike over or walk over to the facilities, if they exist at the campground you're staying at, that's fantastic. But you can use this with little ones. Sometimes you have to go quickly, so you can just go right in and just, go in your bucket at your campground, or like I said, in the middle of the night. And then within the bucket, I have this kitty litter, non-scented kitty litter to put inside the bucket. So if you put a bag, a liner within the bucket, and then the kitty litter, then when you go, it'll absorb everything, and then you can just take your bag, tie it up and put it and throw it out. You can just throw it out, the kitty litter, yeah. So this is a fantastic way to eliminate the stress of where to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night when you're camping. And like I said, I think camping is a wonderful way to travel really inexpensively. For us, it's usually $30, $60 to spend a couple nights at a campground. State campgrounds is usually what we like to do. And then you can go hiking. You can see the sights in that area. It just sort of gives you a base to sleep, and So this is how we go to the bathroom when we're camping. So hopefully this video gave you some ideas, and you know, it's always a fun topic, but I'm no stranger to this topic since I used to do cloth diapering, your baby videos. I have a whole series of those on my channel, so I'm not shy about it. If you have any questions, let me know, or if you'd like to share your bathroom techniques for your campground, that'd be fantastic. Yeah, we got to get the shower thing going. I know you can purchase those things that have solar powered bags that'll heat up the water within the bag, and then you can use a foot pedal to pump the water up and create a little shower outside. But a little pop-up tent for privacy, and then just a 5-gallon bucket is really all you need to help you. It's a huge difference too, just peace of mind as well, knowing there's somewhere to go in the middle of the night, or if you have children and they need to go in 10 seconds, you know, mommy, I got to go now. So it's nice to have a place that they can go immediately. All right, guys, if it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe. I'm here every single Tuesday talking all about money. We're a family of 6 living in the Philadelphia area, and I'll talk to you next week.